Ball in the bubble during the playoffs. One of the key components to the Lakers winning a title. LeBron, ooh, down he goes and he grabs his ankle. LeBron with his right ankle and he's hurting.
He got it rolled up on or something because there was like a double team there, and when he went down to the floor to try to get the semi-loose ball, that's when he got the ankle injury. And you can see how he's writhing in discomfort here. So we'll take a timeout and see the extent of it when we come back.
You can try and play, and this is your spotlight, Stu.
Well, you can see he gets it rolled up on, and it's you know, not your atypical type of sprain, because it's like an inversion where normally sprain you turn it the other way. He turned it in. Those are really can be really painful. I'm very curious to see how he responds.